Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're getting into something really important for homeowners, especially with those Burnaby winters on the way. We're exploring heating services in Burnaby, and we've been looking at some great info from experts like Pacific Blue Mechanical.
That's right. And our goal today really is to break down what these services actually are, but also, why getting professional help is, such a big deal for your comfort, your safety right here in Burnaby.
And how understanding all this can actually save you some money too.
Yeah.
It's all about keeping your home warm and running well.
Exactly. Keeping you snug, basically.
Okay, so let's start there. When we say heating services, specifically for homes in Burnaby, what does that really cover?
Yeah, good question. Simply put, it's all the specialized work needed to keep your place warm. So that means putting in new heating systems, like if you're upgrading.
Okay.
Installation. Right. And then there's the regular upkeep, checkups to make sure everything's running efficiently and safely. And of course, fixing things when they break down, because that happens.
Right. So like furnaces, heat pumps, what kind of systems are we talking about typically in Burnaby?
Exactly those. Furnaces are very common, definitely. Energy-saving heat pumps are becoming more popular too. You also see boilers in some places. And even those sort of luxury radiant heating systems.
Ah, okay. So it covers the whole range.
Pretty much all the main ways folks keep their homes warm around here.
Got it. Now, here's maybe the key question. Why should people in Burnaby really think about getting professional help? I mean, what's the real upside for you?
Yeah, and this is where insights from places like Pacific Blue Mechanical are super helpful. They really stress a few big reasons. First off, and it's the most critical, is safety.
Safety, yeah.
Professionals know how to install and maintain these systems so they operate safely. We're talking about preventing serious risks, things like carbon monoxide leaks from a faulty furnace, or even electrical fire hazards. You don't want to mess around with that.
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
Especially, I guess, with different types of homes in Burnaby, maybe older ones.
Exactly. Proper installation and regular checks are, they're your best defense against those kinds of dangers.
Okay, safety number one. What else?
Well, beyond safety, there's the money aspect. Saving money.
Ah, always good.
An efficient system just uses less energy. Simple as that. And that means lower heating bills for you.
And Pacific Blue Mechanical's guide mentioned that many Burnaby homes could probably see real savings just by optimizing things.
That's what they suggest, yeah. Just getting things tuned up properly. And that leads to the next point. Regular professional maintenance helps your heating system last much, much longer.
Okay, extending the lifespan.
Right. Think of it like getting tune-ups for your car. It prevents bigger, more expensive problems down the road and just keeps it running longer.
Makes sense. Prevents those emergency breakdowns in the middle of winter.
Nobody wants that. And if something does break, pros can usually find the problem and fix it much faster and correctly the first time, so you're not left in the cold.
Okay, so bringing this all together, what does this practically mean for you, our listener, living day-to-day in Burnaby? How does it affect your home?
Well, these benefits really translate into, tangible improvements for you. You get that peace of mind. Knowing your home is safe, knowing it's going to be warm when you need it, especially when it gets really chilly.
Right, consistent warmth.
And it can actually help you avoid some health issues too, like those associated with being too cold or having poor air quality from dirty filters.
Oh yeah, dirty filters, thermostats acting up. The guide mentioned those are common Burnaby issues pros can sort out.
Exactly. Things like that, professionals spot them easily. Fixing them makes your home more comfortable and can improve the air you breathe. Plus, a well-maintained heating system can even, boost your property value if you ever think about selling.
That's a good point, too. Okay, so if you're convinced and you're looking for help, how do you pick the right company in Burnaby? How do you know they're actually experts?
Yeah, that's important. Need to do a little homework. What's really key is looking for experience, a proven track record. Pacific Blue Mechanical specifically advises looking for credentials.
Credentials, like what?
Things like technicians being Red Seal certified. That's like a national standard of excellence here in Canada.
Okay, Red Seal, got it.
And if they're working with natural gas, they absolutely need to be licensed gas fitters through the PSSA, Technical Standards and Safety Authority.
Right, licensing is crucial.
Definitely. And always check customer reviews. See what other people are saying and make sure the company stands behind their work, with warranties. It protects you and your investment.
Good advice. Check credentials, check reviews, check warranties.
It ensures you're getting quality, reliable service.
So it sounds like keeping your home warm, safe, and efficient here in Burnaby. Really boils down to understanding your system a bit and knowing when it's time to call in those trusted professionals.
Exactly. It's really about more than just staying warm. It's an investment in your comfort, your family's health, and like we said, the long-term value of your home. Peace of mind, basically.
Well put. So, for you, our listener, maybe here's something to think about today. What's one small thing you could maybe check on your own heating system right now? Maybe just glance at the air filter or look at your thermostat settings. Just a little something to make sure it's ready for when you really need it.
Yeah, those little actions can actually make a surprising difference. Helps you stay cozy and can even save a bit of energy through the Burnaby winter.
Great point. Thanks for diving deep with us today.